Welcome to this 7-minute muscle building workout routine. This intense workout is designed to help you build strong, defined abs and sculpt a lean, toned midsection. The first exercise we'll do is the bicycle crunch. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head and bring your knees in towards your chest. As you straighten your right leg, bring your left elbow towards your right knee and then switch sides. Keep alternating sides for 30 seconds. Next, we'll move on to the leg raise. Lie on your back with your arms by your side, then lift both legs up towards the ceiling, keeping them straight. Lower them back down, but don't touch the ground. Repeat this movement for 30 seconds. Third, we'll do the Russian twist. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Lean back slightly, keeping your abs tight, and twist your torso to the right, then to the left. Keep alternating sides for 30 seconds. Now it's time for the plank. Get into a push-up position, but instead of lowering yourself down, hold this position for 30 seconds. Next up is the side plank. Lie on your side, with your legs stacked and one foot in front of the other. Prop yourself up on your elbow and hold this position for 30 seconds on each side. And last but not least, we'll finish with the mountain climber. Get into a push-up position and then bring one knee up towards your chest, then switch to the other knee. Keep alternating sides for 30 seconds. And that's it for this 7-minute abs building workout routine. Remember to always listen to your body and never push yourself too hard. With consistency and dedication, you'll be well on your way to building strong, toned abs. Stay strong, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next workout.